Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing my latest order from Cloth and Paper. So we have a lot of fun things in here. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so I ordered a few different inserts for a few different planners, and I accidentally messed up on one, but I'll be referring to my order. And you get this really cute pocket with your order that I love, and I'm actually planning on probably putting this inside of my agenda because I saw this on Instagram and was really excited that these come with orders because I want to be able to put stuff in them. But you have your thank you card and then a planner card. And then let's start with what was supposed to be for my PM. So I'm making, of course, a few changes to my agenda and my agendas and then my planner system. And so first will be my PM agenda. I will be using that primarily as a travel planner. So it's already what I call my on-the-go planner. I just plan on not taking it with me, and instead I'll be taking with a different planner. But that one's gonna be more of a reference planner and then for travel. So I wanted to get the packing list in the pocket size and then just some notes, and so I'll have to reorder these. I do have a few packing list inserts, I believe, still for the PM agenda, so it's no big deal, and then I can just save these because you never know. Y'all know I switch things up all the time. There might be a time where I want to put these in my medium ring, so no big deal. I'm just going to put these to the side, but that's what I'm gonna be doing with my PM. And then I just have these task insert lists, which I love from Cloth and Paper. So that's for the PM. And then for my medium ring, we'll be updating this in this video because this is what kind of started the entire order. Actually, before we get into that, let's do for my new wallet. So if you saw, I did a Louis Vuitton unboxing recently where I decided to keep the Brazza wallet instead of the pocket agenda as my wallet. And I need a planner put inside of here because I want to use it for budgeting. And so I picked up this undated weekly, I think it's called Pocket Plus planner, because it just looks so compact. And I'm not sure if I want to use this one. I also ordered a Hobonichi Weeks that we'll be trying out. And so I'll have another video, of course, on which one I choose and which one to set up. But this one just looks so compact that I wanted to try it, and I love this layout from Cloth and Paper. So you have a side and then a grid, and you have this tasks, goals, and next week. And what I love is that because I want to use this for budgeting, I could like budget over here and then maybe still put appointments on this side for the planner. But let's put this in here. And so it'll fit the pocket agenda perfectly. So it's a little small in here, of course, but it's not too bad. I wonder if we like put it down. And what I like is that you can close it fully and you don't have to worry about bulking up. I also purchased like the Erin Condren pocket planner, and this is way too thick to put in here, and so I figured this was thin. So this is definitely probably going to be one that what I currently choose until I get that Hobonichi Weeks in. The issue is that this is only 3 months. It's 32 pages, and then, but what's good is that it's undated, so you can use it whenever you want. But I do like this as an option, and again, it does fit in that Louis Vuitton agenda cover if you have that, and it's only like $8.99 on the website, so we have that. And then now for the personal. So I ordered a few different things because when I was trying to go down to one planner, I still wanted to use all of my agendas. And so this one's going to be more for fun. So right now I just have, this came in the Cloth and Paper sub box, these little holders, but I just went to Hobby Lobby and got some note pages and started using it as a notebook. And honestly, I love it. So that's primarily how I'm going to use it. Narrow it down, and then as you can see, I was taking notes on the different covers because I just wanted to reincorporate a budget. But in this order, I ordered the Girl Gang tab dividers, and these are the glass, and they're in black. And so I figured it was a little bit different. It's a little more fun since I want to make this a little more fun. My subscription box, since I re-signed up for my subscription box, sorry, it's first video that I filmed it a bit. I got personal size, so I'm gonna be trying out new inserts, and I thought, you know what, this is definitely like a lot more fun, right, with like everything that's on the tabs. And so it kind of just aligns with the planner, and that way too it's a little bit different than my other one. I also picked up these budgeting inserts. It's for the entire year, just to try them out, and we'll do a flip once we put them in. And then I got dated monthlies for this planner because I just always feel like it's important to have a monthly. So that is everything that I ordered. So let's put everything inside of the medium ring for now. Actually, I just realized I forgot something. I also ordered this overview as well, just a vellum overview for the agenda to put up front. So let's start with the tab dividers. We will put in the vellum dashboard right up front. And then we'll start with the dated monthly, and then put the finance under moolah. Okay, so before I go through and take out inserts for the budget, let me just give you a flip of both. So first, let's start with the monthly. So you get This Planner Belongs To, Year at a Glance, Holidays Notes, and then this is a little bit different than what Cloth and Paper normally does. You have a like dashboard for each one of just photos with a notes page, and then you have your monthly overview. So you have goals, and then a little section for that, intentions, bills, and then a checklist, and then it goes into a month on 2 page. You have important dates and notes on the side, previous and upcoming month, and then a note section. So I really liked this for like this planner. I just thought it would look good. And so because these are pretty thick, honestly I might remove these dashboards. I'm honestly not a fan, and I think it'll save room. But I only put up until July in here to save room, and so that's, well, actually I should do June because July is the half year, and then I'll do my mid-year refresh and add the rest. So that is the monthly inserts, and then we have the finance inserts. So you have this dashboard on how to use it, and then you go into your monthly budget, and so it comes with 12 months worth of items. So you have total budget, actual difference, you have different categories, which I was really excited for. And I'll do a video, of course, setting these up, but it's for 12 months. So we might be able to remove half of those. And then you have these quotes between each section. You have reoccurring payments. And then you go into your expense log. I think I can remove this section and save it because I don't really track my expense logs in here. I'm going to be using it in my wallet. You have non-essential spending, which I kind of really like for this planner. I can just keep track of all of the non-essential spending and see how much I'm actually using or spending. You have your savings challenge, and I really like this because once I pay off all my debt, I'll be doing an actual savings challenge. You have your tracker, again, nice. You have a starting and ending balance, and then you go to portfolio allocation. So this is just for if you have stocks, bonds, anything like that. So I can take this out. We currently don't do that, but I will save it just in case we do decide to do that once we move. Then you have financial reflections, so it's just a reflect on the month, and these are undated, so you can stop and start these whenever you want, which is actually pretty nice. But again, 12 months. And then you have resources and tools, and then this is just where you can type in all of your like bank information, login information for credit cards, different things like that. And what I think I might actually do is I'm looking at getting another personal agenda, so I might actually move this into there and have a full dedicated setup just for this, especially because it's so bulky, but it's very important stuff that I really want to track. So that literally just popped in my head. But yeah, for now, this is what we currently have, and then I will be adding in inserts, and I need to take some of this out. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to take this out for now because I think I am going to do that, and I have a spare cloth and paper agenda that I can put that in until the new one comes in. But yeah, this is what we have. The current note inserts that I have, these are from Hobby Lobby. They're the Agenda 52, and so they are a little bit thicker, which are bigger, which I don't mind, and that's why I just put them in the back. But it'll help see what's behind the tab, which I kind of like. So the notes will stay back there, and then all the other inserts will go in here. But yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.